In this training, we'll cover the first steps to creating schedules in Sawyer. We'll start by exploring the Listing tab found on the left navigation toolbar. Here we'll explore our first tab, Activities. Activities are the building blocks of schedules in Sawyer. While you might refer to these as classes, programs, events, or workshops, we're all talking about the same thing. Activities are what you'll create in Sawyer to build a schedule and take bookings. Let's explore the actions that can be found on this page. To add new activities, we'll click on the New Activity button found in the top right corner of your screen. Sawyer's Activity Builder walks you through the available fields so you can customize how your offerings appear to customers. This right preview screen will show your work in real time so you can watch as your activity details come to life. Let's start by giving your activity a name. Over here, you can control the color as it'll appear on your upcoming calendar. Next, select between 1 to 2 categories that best describe your class. This will help with discoverability on our marketplace. Finally, select the activity type, whether it will be in person or online. Online activities have additional scheduling options available, including adding a class access link and detailed instructions tab that can be sent prior to a customer's class. Click Save and Continue to move forward to step 2. Now let's add in the activity description. This step is required. You can use the text editor to format to your liking, even add hyperlinks when appropriate. From this screen, you also have optional details such as class requirements, skills, class format, and even materials. Don't forget to add photos. Activity photos are a great way to ensure that your programs look professional and stand out. Select images that showcase the activity and avoid using low-res or text-heavy images. Click Add Media to add images. Here you can add images directly from your computer, from Instagram or Facebook accounts, or from Google Drive. Click Select File to upload. We recommend using images with a 3:2 ratio, width to height, and between 1500 to 2500 pixels wide. Be sure to click Crop to crop your photo to display the way that you intend. Click Save when finished. Next, click Upload. You can add up to 5 images for each activity, and then you'll have the ability to select a primary image as the default display. Click Save and Continue when finished to move to the next step. Here you'll describe your audience. You'll select the audience that will register for this activity. If both children and adults need to register, select both by clicking the box next to adults. If only children or adults should register, simply just select one audience. When an activity audience includes children, you'll have the ability to customize the age range. You can also select the drop-down menu to toggle to grades if you prefer. For adult-only activities, note that the grade and age ranges are hidden. You can also specify adult participation if required. If your program has required or optional adult participation, you can also describe to the audience how they are expected to participate. Click Save and Continue to get to the next screen. Once your activity is created, it will appear under Active where you'll see a list of your activities. You can use the search bar at the top to easily find a specific activity title. Next to each activity title, you'll see 4 icons. Hover over these to see the actions you can take. Edit allows you to open the activity editor and edit activity details as needed. Copy is a great way to create a clone of an activity so you can quickly edit only the information that's changing. For example, if you run the same class title for multiple age groups, you can copy the activity and just change the age range. Download Report allows you to download a report of purchases for this activity. Archive allows you to archive activities that are no longer offered for your business. This will move the activity to the Archive tab. Should you ever need to reactivate an activity, simply click on the Archive tab. Take the action to unarchive the activity. Once unarchived, the activity will move to the Active tab. You might be wondering, where do you create activity schedules, pricing, and more details? Not to worry, once you finish configuring your library of listings, you'll be ready to schedule.